Follow the steps on how to make curved text like this in Photoshop. For example, I'm going to put text into this circle. Let's start by making a circle. Set this as a path. And activate the From Center option. Hold Shift to maintain proportionality. You can still adjust the size of the circle via Properties. Next, click the text icon. You can set the font size and type in the top panel. Click on the line, then the text will circle automatically. Hold Ctrl to adjust the position. If the text position is not in the middle of the line, you can adjust it via Options. Select Layer and press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Double-click the text. Hold Ctrl and drag it to the bottom position. Turn off the previous text layer. Double-click and edit the text. Press Ctrl again if the position is not correct. Turn this layer back on. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.